Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to view two pages side by side in Microsoft Word. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word app. So let me put another page. I have only one page here. Okay, I have put one page. So this is normal zoom. Okay, normal view like this. Okay, so there is a two method to do to view two page side by side in Word. Okay, first you can simply here come here in zoom section and minimize the zoom like this. Just click on that minus button. Then if you have three page, then it will be view the three page, and if you have two page, then it will be view only two page. So let me insert one page. So you can see the third page also align on this align with the that both page, you can see. Okay, so this is the first method, and the second method is you simply go to the view, and here under the zoom you can see the option called one page and multiple page. So you can use the multiple page, and you can see the maximum three page will be view with same line, and you can see you can make it two page. You need to just zoom in little bit from here. Okay, like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.